Hi and welcome to Creating with Ali. Today I am going to create a scrapbook page, something I haven't done for a little while. I really like to use the We Are Memory Keepers albums, and so this one's a bit faded, it's been on the shelf. And inside those albums I tend to use just the really heavy plastic coated sheets. These are acid free, so they should be fine for photos, and I find that working in this format is a lot cheaper. So you can also purchase these pages here, which have got the perforations in them for a little project life. But if you're using this one and you have, or these, and you have the fuse tool, you're able to fuse off sections, which I'll show another time. So this is one of my many scrapbooks, and I've had a lot of fun filling these up. But like I said, it's been a little while, and that's what I want to do now. So let's get on with that job. Put this to the side. You can hear the printer. It's still printing away. Some photos of my granddaughter's birthday not long ago. So that might be a bit too high. I might just drop the camera a little bit so you can see a bit better. I'm having to do a lot of this during the night time, so the light's not that good. Right, so these are just the bits and pieces that I've grabbed out of my scrapbooking kit to have play with. So let's make a start on this scrapbook page. If you'd like to create a similar page, I have a link in my website. So if you go to creatingwithali.com, you'll find a link there with my blog, and I have included my 8.5 by 11 sketch that I'm making here, so that you may use that to create a scrapbook page of your own. So I'm just cutting down the pages here, just arranging the photos the way that I think I would like them to sit on the page. So just cutting down a few photos for size. I'm wanting to include 3 on such a small space, so this is going to mean that I'm going to have to put some journaling in behind one of the photos. You'll see I am backing one of the photos here. I end up not liking what I'm doing there, so I'll change it around a second. I made this into a bit of a file tab, so it will sit in behind the photo when I have it all glued down. And I'm using a few stickers and some ribbons to help embellish the page. All these materials I'm not able to source for you in the description. I'm basically just using up supplies that I have at home. So if you've got plenty of supplies on hand and you want to whip them out, you can use the sketch to help you along here. So I found some stickers, letter stickers that I like out of the stash. And now I'm just going to stick everything down where it needs to go. I placed a little heart sticker on the file tab that I made. This is just so that you'll be able to see it. That's an interactive piece of the actual scrap layout. Can you tell I'm a big fan of double-sided tape? I use this stuff all the time and usually don't deviate from it much. Now this is where I looked and I thought that the colours were off on that side, so I've actually turned it around and just muted that a little bit for inclusion on the page. I thought that the letter stickers would just not stand out enough, so I decided I'd put those on some white paper and cut around and make a bit of a tag with the name on the top. It'd make the pink stickers pop. I used some of the stickers. It was a vintage set, but there were some stickers there that were relevant to the theme of this page, so I popped them on. And then I had these rub-ons. I've had them for years and never used them. Now that I have a little girl as a granddaughter, I can certainly use them on her pages, so I'm pretty happy about that. So now I am just rubbing on a few different elements just to busy up the page a little bit. So I've just about finished the page, and then I get on to what is the most important part of a scrapbook page to me, and that is the journaling. So I'm going to pull this aside and do this in the background now. Right, journaling's done. Both sides. I put down a little funny quotes and things that she said on the day. She'll love reading that. And into the plastic pocket. And once I get it into the pocket, in order to be able to interact with the piece that I put there with the journaling, I'm going to take a craft knife and I'm just going to cut down the side of that very, very carefully. And once I've made that incision down the side, I'll put a piece of clear tape either end so that the plastic won't rip any further than what the cut is that I've made here. So we are coming to the end of the creation of this scrapbook page. If you've enjoyed this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more from my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and that way you'll be notified of future videos. Also check out my blog and website at www.creatingwithali.com, where I usually put some more details about what I'm doing here in these videos. Thanks for sticking around and watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.